Welcome again to the channel.
Hope you all give thanks for life. We all have the right to live.
Terrorists cannot and will not succeed in driving fear in the citizens of Jamaica.
I am asking you to join the movement to eradicate all gangsters, drug dealer and scammers from out of the country.
I've received 2 videos in which I'm asking for your assistance to take these feces off the streets and out of our communities. Please assist the nearest police station if you see them.
I don't know their locations or where they were last seen, but they are wanted by the police, the soldiers and you the citizens.
These feces don't have any respect for the police nor soldier.
It's your moral obligation to protect and uphold the constitutional law which govern the country. The state, the church and national security govern the country. Without those organizations, the country would be in chaos, not gangsters and their affiliates.
Take back Jamaica.
Jehovah guides us all.
One love.